This is day 13 of coding every day until I hit 1K subscribers. I've been having to fill out a lot of forms lately for the projects I'm working on. I thought, wouldn't it be awesome to automate this, and decided that computer use, specifically with tools like Claude, would be the perfect solution. The issue is, using Claude can be expensive, like 50 cents Australian per minute. That's more than some minimum wage jobs here in Australia. That's where my TalkTom Python package comes in. It significantly reduces the cost of computer use. I finished my Gemini Computer Use functionality today, which uses the Talk to LLM package. Here's the code. I import the necessary libraries. TalkTo from TalkTom, chords underscore screenshot, Pyotogi, PNG, TOBA SE64, click underscore coordinate, and sleep. I set a goal, which is to open a YouTube video about programming. Then, inside a while loop, I take a screenshot with coordinates overlaid, convert it to base 64, and send it to Gemini using TalkTo. I give it specific instructions on the output format, either XY coordinates or XY text, for clicking and typing. If it thinks the task is done, it should respond with. If not, I use click underscore coordinate to perform the action, and wait a few seconds. This continues until Gemini says finally I print done for real to the console. I had some pretty funny AI moments while testing. I told it to download the Docker extension from VS Code, but instead of clicking, it just kept saying. I asked it why, and it turns out it was reading the done for real messages from my own code's output in the terminal. It thought a previous instance of the AI had already finished the task. The fix was simple. I added the phrase new task to the prompt, making it clear to Gemini that this was a fresh instruction, not something previously completed. And now, onto the LeetCode problems I tackled today. First up, divide array into equal pairs. Spoiler alert. The goal is, given an integer array nums, determine if you can divide it into pairs, where each pair contains equal elements. Here's my solution. I first sort the nums array. Then, in a while loop, as long as the array isn't empty, I check if the first two elements are equal. If they are, I remove them. If not, it means we can't form equal pairs, so I return false. If the loop finishes without returning false, it means all elements were paired, and I return true. This has a time complexity of big O of n log n due to the sorting. Next, find numbers with even number of digits. Another spoiler, we're given an array of integers, and we need to count how many of them have an even number of digits. Here's my solution. I initialize a sum variable to 0. Then, I iterate through each number n in the nums array. I convert the number to a string and check if the length of the string, using the modulo operator to find a remainder when dividing by 2, is equal to 0. If it is, I increment the sum. Finally, I return the sum. This solution has a time complexity of big O of n, as we loop through the array once. That's it for today's coding journey. Like, subscribe, and comment below with any ideas you have for this series, or if you want me to tackle a specific problem. And, if you'd like to help me continue making videos, you can donate at buymeaboba.com, link in the description. See you tomorrow.